Today we're putting on a replacement right side passenger rear view mirror. We were able to easily remove it by taking the panel piece off, which is on the seat right there. It just pops right out. You can use it, take it out with your hands. And that piece goes right here and covers up the mechanism. And then this is a power window, power modulator. And so we're just gonna reconnect this with power cord, and it's sideways like that. Just snapped right in like that, and it's stayed right there. And then it has two screws. There's a big screw right here that'll go in right through this hole over here. We'll have to move this and it'll fit right there where my finger is. So I might have snapped this on a little too early, but I think it'll be able to get it. And I am going to place it in like this. See, we got a nice tight fit. There's also a screw that goes right here. This screw is a T20 torque screw. And if you hang on for a second, I will show you how to put that one in first. Okay, so here's our screw on our T20 torque wrench. We'll put it in here, right in the hole. This is the first of two that you need to, there's only two screws and everything else is kind of a clip-on pop-out thing. And once you get this secure, your mirror will stay in by itself. Hang on, let me tighten it. And then we'll do the center. Keep losing my grip. Okay. This is a 10mm bolt, which will go in the middle and secure your rear view mirror completely. But I did secure this too early, so I'm going to undo this and pull back some of the foam there. Make sure I have it in my bit in here. And there we go. Okay, I think that's in tight enough. And let's plug this back in. So that should work. And now let's get our cover. And these two slide in here, and this will slide in. Gotta move this down a little bit. Right here. Okay. So. There you go. And that's how you replace your side rear view mirror. Thanks for watching. Check out all our other videos on YouTube.